Okay, where are we at with the truck? We've been busy all day today on this truck. I cut and programmed an additional key to wipe out the my key stuff because the administration key didn't come with it. The dealership had already ordered 4 brand new tires for it, so they picked a more cheap, economical brand to go on it, which are the Bridgestone Dueler HLs. I've cleaned out the rear differential. I took all the fluid out of that, put all new 75/85 high point in it, 75/85 high point in the front, did that as well. Did the transfer case. The transfer case fluid was brand new. It didn't even need to be done. It's like cherry red right out of the bottle. Dropped the transmission pan, pulled the transmission filter, wiped it all out. Absolutely wonderful. There's a double magnet in there. So there's 2 magnets in that trans pan, which is kind of cool because per Ford's diagram and the ones I've seen, there's only 1. There was 2 in this one. So I like that. Did the transmission service, made sure it was good. Replaced that TPMS sensor, and the other TPMS sensor, so now everything reads and it's all aired up to what it's supposed to be. Put a new cabin air filter in it because the cabin air filter in it was completely gunked up and plugged up. Trying to think of what else I did. I've been busy all day on this thing. Oh, removed the taillight on the other side. Took the cracked taillight out, put a new taillight in it. So I got that taken care of. Put, all new solid 1-piece lug nuts all the way around. Got rid of the Ford swollen lug nut junk. Yeah. That's where we're at. So if you guys want me to work on a full video on everything that I did, just kind of like, not every little small detail, but a longer video so you can see the fluids that were coming out, you can see inside the transmission, you can see all the things that I was doing and kind of share that experience with me, I'm more than willing to do that with you. But this is the basic of everything that happened today. All the tires are aired up to 55 PSI spec. Pulled my door codes, security code while I was there. One of the subscribers came by. I got him on video today. He said he would be cool and saying hi to you guys via video if you want. He brought a set of WeatherTech liners over and sold them to me at half price. WeatherTech, both sides, and then the rear. Fit real nice. So, that's the update on the truck. If you guys want a full-blown video, I'll work on that. Give me some time though, because it's a busy day doing all that. It'd probably be about a 25-minute video, a 30-minute video. So if that's something you guys want, let me know. Oh, one of the bolt for this rear mud flap was real rough. So I pulled it out, put a new bolt and stuff in for the rear mud flap. Underneath the truck is crystal clean. Not a single drop of anything underneath this. I guess from what I understand, it's an old man that owned it. He owned his own company and he was a single worker for the company, and he worked out of this truck. This truck's purpose was to create this livelihood for him, and he kept it up all the time. Everything, all the services were done all the time, no matter what. The rock guard and stuff, the rock protectant chip and everything's still on the bottom of the truck, real nice. There's little dings and little scratch and stuff here and there, but I don't really care. For what I paid and how good the truck is and how nice it runs, I'm happy with it, man. And I didn't know we actually bought a set of tires for this truck, so I have some more aggressive. These are the 245 7017s. I have like the 285 7017s coming Friday. So I might get a second. I don't know. Maybe I'll run these in the winter, and the more aggressive ones that are more like snow tire, or not snow tires, but more like a off-road mud tire or something like that in the summertime. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Y'all take care. Be blessed. And if you want me to upload a full long video, I will. Have a good night.